Hi, welcome along, and in today's video we're going way back to 1968 with a song that was used for a margarine commercial in the UK. I won't mention the name, but this is called The Israelites by Desmond Dekker and the Aces. Absolute reggae smash. We're going to be going through all of this syncopation. Do all of that stuff. I'm going to show you how to do the intro, the syncopation, the little riff. So stick around. If this is what you're up for, go grab your guitar. I'll meet you back here in 3, 2, 1. Let's do it. Right, first off, the intro. Let's get started with the intro. So first off, it's in the key of B flat, but it slides up from an A to a B flat. So let me just quickly show you what this bar chord shape looks like. This is the A. We're going to bar all 6 with our second finger, G string, 6th fret. And then our third finger, A string, 7th fret, little finger, D string, 7th fret. Now that's our A. And the way it goes, it slides up from the A to the B flat. So it goes, so we just strike down and slide up. Get up in the morning, slaving for bread, sir. And it goes, does it again, so that every mouth can be fed. Then we're going to keep our first finger barring down on all 6. And we're going to have our third finger barring down on the D string, G string, and the B string. You'll, by default, unless you can lift it up, be holding down on the 7th fret of the E string as well. But don't panic about that. Just maybe stop your strum before you get to that bottom string, or lift off slightly. What we're going to do, that's the chord of D major. Again, we're going to slide that up. So we're not going to stay in that long. We're going to slide that up from D up to D sharp. So it's going to go, yep, so we've got, and then we're going to slide up from this D sharp up to an F, which is sliding it up all the way so that your first finger moves from the 6th position up to the 8th position. Okay, so we got, and then up to the F, and then back to the B flat again. Let me take you through that one more time. So we got the slide up from the A to the B flat. Get up in the morning, slaving for bread, sir. Slide, so that every mouth can be fed. And then we've got the slide from the D to the D sharp. Oh, and then we slide up from the D sharp to the F. Oh, that's a bit rubbish. Try that again. There we go. Oh, the Israelites, B flat. Then we're going to take this shape down to the 2nd position for an F sharp, and then we're going to move it up to the 4th position for a G sharp, and we do 6 down strokes on each, and then we're ready for the main body of the song, which will go in the next section. Okay, so let's do all of that together. So we've got this slide, get up in the morning, slaving for bread, so let me, ba da 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 dum da dee da, and then we go, oh, and then we slide again, slide another again, and then the Israelites are, and then we're ready for the reggae part. Right, so next section, the strumming pattern. So what we're going to do for the strumming pattern is, right, so moving across to the strumming, the hand, we're going to be just going down, up, 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 1. Now, what we're going to do, it is down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, but we're going to put certain accents on 2 and 4. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you make 2 and 4 slightly more prominent. Let's go through that again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 3. Can you hear that? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 4. 2, 4, 2, 4. Now, what's going to happen is with this reggae thing, we form our chord, but we don't press down on our chord. So when it's not pressed, you're doing what's known as a left hand mute. Then what I want you to, so there's your chord, just back this up. There's your chord. See, it's still muting, okay? We're not pressing, but then what I want you to do, now I'm close to the camera, for each of these chords, not just this B flat, we're gonna, on 2 and 4, we're gonna press, 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 press. So what that's gonna do, that's gonna make us have sound on beats 2 and 4. Boom, jack, 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 jack. See what I mean? Jack. So when you mix the two together, so we've got our, then we press. Got it? Then we move on. Got it? See what happens? So as we strum, we get nothing. We just get that nice scrub sound, which is very rhythmic, very in the reggae feel. We've got that rhythmic uka-chaka sound. But then we press, press, press. Okay, so that's how we do our strum. It's a generalised reggae thing, but this is what works for this particular song. Chords, let's talk about chords. So verses, we've got our B flat, 4 bars of B flat. Then we move up to, as you know, our D sharp, which is again having our first finger on the 6th fret, all 6 strings, and either our 3rd finger holding down 4, 3, 2. Not 1, but you have to, if you have to, you have to. I don't know how your joints are made. If you do, slightly lift off, or don't play the bottom E string. Try and stop your strum before you get to it. But yeah, our D sharp is there on the 6th fret. So we've gone from 4 bars of B flat to D sharp, and then up to F, which is O, and then back to B flat. So the chorus is literally D sharp, then F, and then B flat, and then D flat is the turnaround chord that brings you back to the start of the next verse. Okay, so let's take you through that. So we've got 4 bars of B flat. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 3. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, 3, 4. 3, 2, 3, 4. 4, 2, 3, 4. D sharp, F, B flat, D flat. That D flat is bringing your first finger down to the 4th fret and still keeping that shape. 4, 3, 2, 1. There's our D flat. Okay, moving on to the solo. We've got, goes like this. Okay, so let's show you how that's done. We're going to be 2nd finger on the 6th fret of the E. Then we're going to have our little finger on the 8th fret of the A string. So we got, and then to the 1st finger, 5th fret A, and then back to the 2nd finger, which is the 6th fret of the E. Play that twice. So in total. Got it? One more time. And then we're going to go, which is little finger on the 9th fret. Then we're going to, 9th fret E, sorry, E string, lowest E. Then we're going to have our first finger on the 6th fret of the A. So far we've got, now we're up to the 8th fret of the A. So let's bring you up to total. Then we're going to go one more little finger on the 9th fret of the A. So then we're going to drop down, put our first finger on the 6th fret of the D string. Then 3rd finger on the 8th fret of the D string. So in total we've got. Then we're going to bring our first finger back to the 5th fret G string, and then 6th fret of the G string. Okay. We've got our B flat scrub in between. Bam. And then it does the D sharp. And then it goes up to the F, which brings us back to the verse. Get up in the morning. Oh, Israelites. There we have it, the Israelites. How did you get along? Let me know down in the comment section below, along with any other song suggestions that you may have for songs you would like me to show you how to play in a future video. If you liked what you see today, can you do me a massive favour and click me a like and a subscribe, which will get to help me get to bring you more guitar-based tutorials, which, yeah, I know you like these 60s and 70s things, so, you know, it just flashes up in your inbox that there's another new 60s and 70s classic in your inbox. So, win-win all round. I'll see you in the next video, guys. So glad to have you along. Take great care of yourselves. See you soon. Bye-bye.